This week I have chosen to discuss what the threat is of ocean acidification on marine life. As temperature and CO2 emissions rise, the more CO2 the ocean absorbs, making pH levels in the water decrease, making oceans less likely to produce the ability to form coral reefs. Coral reefs, clams, mussels, and plankton all rely on chemical conditions of a certain pH level to build their calcium-based shells, which in turn decrease marine life. Corals make home to about 25% of marine life, such as fish, clams, turtles, sponges, which all play an important role in the marine world. In the coastal region of Alaska, the trend of ocean warming is one of the fastest compared to other areas. The waters are warming fast because of a lot of factors, like the atmospheric emissions, the ice sheets melting at alarming rates, and other factors that are making the surface temperatures around the coastal regions of Alaska very warm. As stated before, when the oceans are getting warmer, the chemical balance of the pH levels become more acidic, making the marine life unable to thrive. The future predictions for this era do not look good. The oceans continue to warm, thus making the marine life unable to live. The corals do not thrive, and so they do not provide life to marine food, which in turn provide food to other marine life and to humans. The communities around the coastal regions of Alaska will not have significant amount of seafood to survive off. The price of seafood will increase, and they will have to find food from elsewhere. I think the main solution would be to decrease CO2 emissions immediately. With lowering the emissions, I believe that the oceans will stop warming quickly, and therefore the oceans won't turn to acidification.